Hello, Flowly friends, and welcome to the Yoga Flowly channel. I'm Rachel, a yoga and mindfulness instructor, and I live with rheumatoid arthritis. So I know firsthand what it's like when your body feels stiff, achy, and just doesn't want to cooperate some days. That's exactly why I created this channel. Here you'll find gentle, joint friendly practices that meet you exactly where you are. Whether that's on a chair or on a mat, or just needing something slow and soothing. We do chair yoga for stiff mornings, standing flows that don't ask your knees to bend in ways they don't want to, yin yoga to melt tension, and calming practices for when life feels a little too much. Every session is built with modifications because your version of a pose, whatever that looks like, is the right version. This is a space to move gently, to breathe deeply, and to feel good in the body you have right now. No judgment, no pressure. Just showing up just as you are. If that sounds like what you need, I'd love for you to subscribe and join this gentle little community. So hit that subscribe button and I'll see you on the mat soon. Bye.